Yo, MLBB players! Need diamonds like right now? Here's how you get them super quick using Malsawm.in. First up, just open your browser and head over to Malsawm.in. Hit that sign up button and make your account. Already got one? Skip it. Next, log in with your email and password. Now comes the fun part. Scroll through the store and pick the diamond pack you want. Enter your game ID and server ID. Tap on check username to make sure it is your account. Then just choose how many diamonds you want to buy. Time to pay. You've got options. Use the website wallet for a quick one-tap recharge, or just go with UPI. You'll be taken to the payment page. Don't close the site while it's loading, okay? Once it's done, head back to the site, chill for a second, and boom! Your diamonds are automatically delivered instantly. Told you it was easy. Go get those skins, legend.